This Instagram story idea, you probably have not seen it before, but it's so unique that you can actually boost your engagement. And no, it's not a poll, it's not ask me a question, it's unique. So follow the under 1 minute tutorial and let me know in the comment section if you knew about it and what is your favorite story idea to boost your engagement. Instagram story hack that you had no idea to boost your engagement. Let's go. After you added your post to your story and selected the love button option, make sure you ask your question as a text and then select the different answers that people can vote on. So in this case, I'm asking which hashtags category are you? And write down 2 or 3 options that you want people to vote on. Place them in different colors, add arrows, so it points people on how they can go up or down the love button so you know how they're voting. Follow for more social media tips and tutorials.